Hello students, our new topic is binary search tree. Okay, so binary search tree can be defined as the class of a binary trees in which the nodes are arranged in a specific order. This is also called the ordered binary tree. Okay, so in binary search tree, the value of all the nodes in the left subtree is less than the value of the root, and similarly the value of all the nodes in the right subtree is greater than or equal to the value of the root. Okay, so the rule is very simple, and this rule will be recursively applied to all the left and right subtree of the root. Okay, so here are various advantage by using of binary search tree. Is like the first one is the searching become very efficient in binary search tree since we get a hint at each step about which subtree contains the desired element. Okay, so and second one is like the binary search tree is considered as efficient data structure in compared to arrays or linked list. In searching process, it removes half subtree at every steps. So searching for an element in a binary tree takes O log to n time, and in worst case the time it takes to search an element is on. Okay, so and it also speed up the insertion and deletion operation as compared to that in array and linked list. Okay, so now we create a bst for following data items. So here is our the data items. Here is the question. So what we do is we follow the simple rules. We first insert 43 into the tree as the root of the tree, and second we read the next element, which is 10, and if the next element the value is lesser than the root node element, we insert it as the root at left subtree. Okay, and if otherwise it is insert at the root of the right subtree. Okay, so we continue with this problem. Wait, yeah, here it is. So here our question. So the process of creating the VST is like this. So we first insert 43, which is our root node. So here is step number 1, and then the next value is 10. Okay, so we compare it with the root node, which is 43. So 10 is obviously less than 43. Okay, so it comes in its left it's left subtree. Okay, so it becomes left node. Okay, now our next is 79. So 79 is we compare it to its root node, which is 43. So 79 is greater than 43. Okay, so it's on its right side. Okay, now the next one is 90. So again 90 we compared with the root node, the 43. 90 is greater than 43, then it's on the right side. Again the 79 is here. So in this in this right subtree, the root node is 79. So we compare 90 with 79. Okay, so 90 is greater than 79, then it's come in its right side. Okay, so now the value is 12. So again 12 we compare with the root node, which is 43. So it's lesser than 43. So if it is lesser than the root node, then it's coming in its left side. Again in this left subtree, the root node is 10. So we compared with the value 12 with 10. So 12 is greater than. So if it is greater than, then it's come on its right side. Okay, so now the value is 54. So again the 54 we compared with the root node, which is 43. 54 is greater than 43, then it's come on its right side. Again in this right subtree, the root is 79. So we compare again 54 with 79. Now 54 is less than 79, so it's come on its left side. Okay, so now again our next element is 11. So 11 we compared with the root node, which is 43. So it's come on its left side. Again in this left subtree, the root node is 10. So we compare it with 10. The 11 is greater than 10, so it's come on its no. So it's come on its left side, but there's nothing in this area. Okay, so we come on to the 12. No, we come on its the side which is right side is 12. So now we again compare. So in this right subtree, the root node is 12. Okay, so we again compare with the root node, which is 12. So 11 is less than 12, so it's shifted in its left part. Okay, now the step is number 8. The next value is 9. Okay, so again the same process goes on. The 9 is smaller than 43. Again it's on the left subtree. Now the left subtree root node is 10. Again we compare. 9 is smaller than its root node, which is 10, so it's on its left side. Okay, now the next step is, next element is 50. So we compare it with the root node 43. So it's obviously is greater than 43, so it's come on its right side. Now the root node of this right subtree is 79. So we compare it with 79. Now it's less than 79. Okay, so it's come on its left side. So again in left side, the root element of this left subtree is 54. So it's come on its left side. Okay, so hope you understand the basic formation and how we create a binary search tree. Okay, thank you.